to make meringues, ingredients you need today are 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of regular or caster sugar, and lastly 4 egg whites. What you need to do is to separate your egg whites from your egg yolks. The way I do it is I get a bowl and I crack my egg on the side of the bowl in the middle, and then I slip my fingers through, and then I let all the yolk drip down. The white drip down, and then I catch the yolk and spill anything I need to. Then any excess eggs go into another bowl or container. If that happens with your egg, just get a cloth and wipe it out or get a tissue. Finished, I got my whites and my yolks. What I like to do is I just like to lightly beat my egg whites, just to make sure everything's all mixed together as we have it from 4 different eggs. And with your egg yolks, I seal them up, and I recommend that you do that too, and put them in the fridge for another recipe. Time that you should preheat your oven to 110 degrees Celsius. Get your electric mixer ready and pour your egg whites into the whisk on the 3rd setting. Until it's all foamy and it looks like this. Add your sugar in slowly, mixing on the highest setting. Once your batter is thick, add in your vanilla. Finished. All the sugar should be dissolved and it should be light and fluffy, not too runny. If it's runny, add some more sugar. Before you put your meringue batter on a tray and in the oven, you also have the option to colour it. So that's what I'm going to do. I have 4 different bowls here, and I'm going to put 4 different colours in them. The food dye that I'm using is this one, and the colours that I'm going to make are yellow, red, blue and purple. Into your bowls and start to add the colours. I'll recommend adding about 4 colours in each, 4 drops of colour in each bowl, just so the colour is nice and spread out. And then begin to mix them around. I am using skewer sticks to mix them, but if you're making this at home, you can use anything you like, from spoons to paddle pop sticks to really anything you want. When all your colours are mixed, line a small tray and begin to blob all the colours on. Okay, get out 2 tablespoons, and for this we are going to use the double spoon method. Get a small amount of batter on your spoon and place it on your tray. If you want a rainbow meringue, you can do it with multiple colours, layering them on top. Just a warning, this may give off a different colour at the end. If you have a bit too much batter, you might need a bigger tray or 2 trays. But it's very important that you line the tray to decrease the chance of burning. So these can now go into the oven, but I still have a lot of batter left inside my bowls. So this leaves me no choice but to make a pavlova. Baking tray, and get your batter and scotch it on. You might need a bit of help, a spatula or a spoon to get it out. On my tray, I'm going to get a stick and just mix it all around so it looks a little bit better than it does. Yeah. The small meringue should only be in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and the big base should be in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. For about 10 minutes or until it's crispy. Until they're getting ready, because they're starting to blow up a bit like balloons. This is the end result. I really like the way they turned out, all multicolored and not too brown and burnt. But the only reason this is all crumbly is because I didn't want to get salmonella, so I just poked a few holes so the heat could evenly be spread throughout the base. And also, we had a little bit of trouble getting it out of the tray. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please come back for more and like and subscribe. Bye!